How to add trusted connections on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Then, to add connection, click on More at the bottom left corner of your screen or bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Account Info. Here, make sure you have verified your age. As you can see, check your age to get more feature. You can continue with camera or continue with ID. After you have done that, after Roblox verifies it, you can simply go back to home. After you go back to home, you can click on Add Friends. You can click on My QR and share this QR with your friend by pressing on Share Profile Link. Or you can click on the scanner at the top right and scan their code. And after they add you back, they will be added to your trusted connections in here. And this is how to add trusted connections on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.